Microsoft Authenticator has cloud backup, and in this video we'll see how to transfer it to a new device on both iPhone and Android. So let's get into it. Before going to the video, you must know that Microsoft Authenticator only supports iPhone to iPhone and Android to Android transfer. If you want to move from one to another, you will need to do it manually. We'll explore the Android transfer first. For it to work, ensure that you have a Microsoft account added. If you don't, tap plus and select personal account. You will need to log in with your Microsoft account here. It might ask you to verify your identity by sending a code to your recovery email or phone number. Once done, it will be added. Adding this account here also means that this app can be used to log into your Microsoft account without the password. The next step is to go to settings from here and then enable cloud backup. If everything's good, you will see the confirmation. Check the last backed up time to ensure any new ones are not left behind. Now let's move to the recovery process. Suppose this is your new device to restore accounts. Let's open the app. Follow the steps until you reach here. You will see restore from backup. If you have skipped it, this screen will also show this option. Now if you have already signed in with your Microsoft account, you can simply delete the app and reinstall it. For that, ensure you have at least one backup way, such as your recovery email or phone number, to log back in. I will click begin recovery. On this screen, we need to log in with the same account that was used for the backup. Now pay attention. It will ask if I have the old phone with the app. If you do, you will get a notification on that app. If you don't have it, you will need to use your password to log in. If you don't have your password either, click this and use a recovery method such as your recovery email or phone number to reset it. I will use my password to log in. Next, we need to verify our identity. We must go through this process as we already had this account added to the Authenticator, which we can't access now. I will see all the methods and click the phone number. Let's insert our number and get the code. There you go, it's recovering. Click got it. Now you can enable the backup again to create a new backup and start adding new accounts as well. Now it's time for the iPhone. It's much easier on the iPhone as all of our accounts are automatically synced to the iCloud without us enabling it. If you go into settings, there is no option for the backup either. However, it's a bit different if you have a Microsoft account added. On your old iPhone, you must ensure that you have logged in with your Apple account. Also go to the iCloud and then tap Drive. Here ensure the sync option is enabled. If you're doing it just now, wait a few minutes for the changes to sync. Now simply install Microsoft Authenticator on your new device. You should see all the codes on the screen. Lovely. If you had a Microsoft account signed in on the old phone, you will need to re-sign into your account to use this phone for the passwordless sign-in. You will notice an error message like this. Simply click on it to log in. It will ask you to send a notification to your old app. If you have it, click the blue button to send the notification. If you can't access it, you can use your password. If you don't have either, on this screen click this link. It will show all the recovery options. You must pick one to recover your account. I would have used a recovery method for this video, but it kept giving me an error. Thankfully, I still have the old phone with the Microsoft Authenticator app, so I'm sending a notification to it. Once that's done, you have your Microsoft account signed in on your new iPhone. That is all. If you don't want MS Authenticator for the passwordless sign-ins, you can remove it from your account completely. This is also helpful if you're having issues logging into your Microsoft account on a new device. In a browser, go to your Microsoft account by searching for it. It's best if you sign in from a device that has your account information saved. Here, go to the left menu and find security. Click manage how I sign in. You must verify your identity to proceed. I will use my phone to get a code and insert it. Then on this interface, scroll down and see this send sign in notification. Click remove under it and it's done. The Authenticator is no longer being used for passwordless sign-ins. You may remove your Microsoft account from the app. For work and organization accounts, you must contact your IT department to set the app for you. The department will also be able to help you with the transfers and resets. With that being covered, this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching it. Subscribe for more like this and take care.